Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page. We can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect for like tight and sore or stiff calves like I get. Maybe it's from walking, maybe it's from being on your feet all day, or maybe it's just come a long day and you're looking to relax and unwind. This is gonna be a perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called MYTREX. I got a little two set here. You can get one or you can get two, it's up to you. But the model here is basically the Rakuno. And this is going to come obviously with a user manual that tells you about it, but we're going to cover all the features right here in the video. You also get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. This is how you're going to charge up the battery that's built into this thing. It does have a 4,500 mAh battery. What does that mean? Depending on the various modes you're utilizing it, you're going to get around 5 to 5.5 hours of use out of it. So you're going to get plenty of use. It's not like it's a one and done situation. You can use it multiple times before you have to charge it up. But then as you can see, these are what the little calf compressors look like. So they're really, really cool. So first off, they're going to fit a calf size up to 19 inches. It's all attached with this nice Velcro. It's not that sharp Velcro either, so it doesn't hurt to touch. It does have in here a removable liner, so that you can take this if you get like sweaty or anything like that. You can take this off and throw it in the machine wash. It's up to you as far as utilizing that if you wish. But yeah, so simply put it on your leg and then kind of Velcro it. On the back side is where you're going to plug it in to charge up that battery. These do come in multiple colors. I have just kind of like the dark one here that has a slight brown look to it. And then all the controls are right here on the front. Super easy to control. Now, I love the fact that these are wireless, so you're not tethered to an outlet or anything like that. You can take these wherever you need. Don't have to be by an outlet. You can be relaxing on the couch away from plugs and utilize them. And the controls are very, very, very easy to utilize. So simply go ahead and hold down the little power button and you'll notice it'll turn on. The little lights in the front, that gives you a snapshot of what your battery life is left on them. So you got 100%, 75, 50, and 25%. Right there facing you when you're wearing them, that is the digital screen that's going to show you all the controls. So this thing has 3 different massage modes, and how you're going to do that is there's going to be simply press that power button once you turn it on, and you're going to press that and it's going to change on the top your colors. You're going to have a green, a light blue, a dark blue, and then it goes back to the green, and that's just going to switch up how the different kind of air compression massage modes are working. Then you're going to have 5 different compression intensities, and that's how hard it's squeezing. So on the one side, you're gonna see 3 little bars. It looks kind of like a cell phone thing. Press that, and once again, you're gonna change the colors from the green, the blue, into a orange, and a red is the most intense. So light blue is the weakest, dark red is the most intense as far as that squeezing feeling. Now on the other side is you're gonna have like these little squiggly lines. That is the heating mode. So this has 3 different heating options. On the low end, it's gonna be about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. On the high end, it's gonna be about 118 degrees Fahrenheit. You can pick your heating option, or if you just want, you can just turn it off and not have any heat at all. I like the heat in the winter, or if I'm really sore and you want that heating to soothe, you can do that as well, which is absolutely another nice feature of it. Now, it will automatically turn off after 10 minutes. So that kind of gives you a cue of how long you've had it on. I like that little feature. So just set it, go to town, and let it do its thing. It's very quiet when running. Like, it's been running this whole time that I've been holding it here, and you don't hear it. So if you're watching a movie or a TV show or on a phone call or anything like that, it's not going to disturb your person next to you. It's not going to keep you from watching or hearing anything, which is great. It's very, very quiet when operating it. But overall, it is an absolutely great way to relax and massage those calves, especially if you get nice tight calves. If you're in the market and you're looking for a great calf massager, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.